This is so bright. So yun, today it's raining. Actually, merong parating na bagyo and I'm just having the car prepared sa mga parating na ulan kasi I do a lot of highway driving. Mostly, I do my commute at night. So, itong modification na to, I think is quite essential for this car. Now, today we're going to be taking this car to the shop kasi papalagyan natin ng fog lamps dito sa likod. It will be either this one or this one. We'll see, or maybe both. We'll see. Now again, the reason why I think that this is essential is because we were at Tagaytay the other day and sobrang foggy ng condition. And to be honest, I was having difficulty seeing the vehicle in front of me. Kahit meron siyang lights, it's really difficult pag may fog. It's hard for some people to see the vehicle in front of them, so I decided to just have a fog lamps installed sa kotse para at least less yung chance na mabangga ako from the back. But yun, this modification is going to be inexpensive simply because we're not going to be buying new fog lights for this car. What I'm planning to do is I'm going to be taking this to the shop that I trust and I'm going to have bulbs fitted doon dito sa. Now these are just reflectors for this model. Now this is a Vios na E-variant and it only has reflectors dyan sa ilalim ng bumpers. So what I'm planning to do is I'm just going to have like bulbs fitted inside and then have them connected, and hopefully that would just serve the purpose. Now what I'm planning to do is I'm going to have them installed in a sense na when I switch on the front fog lights, mabubuhay din yung nasa likod. Tara, let's see. We are now headed to the shop na mag-i-install ng ating fog lamps. And itong shop na pupuntahan natin, ito yung isa sa mga pinakamatatandang shop dito sa Lipa. And the reason why we opted for this shop is because they have all the supplies na kakailanganan natin for the install and or for this modification, I would say. So yun, para at least hindi na natin kailangang lumabas-labas to buy supplies. Tara, let's go. Okay, so yan, ito na yung shop. Pangalan ng shop is Carman Electrical Shop. And from the looks of things, okay, may sasakyan na sa tabihan ng daan. Oh man, I think wala, may ano na, may queue na. Holy shit. Anyway, let's see. Tingnan natin kung kakayanin natin. Here we are. Nandito na yung kotse sa parking nila. Yan. Nakapila na yung kotse para magawa mamaya. Yan. Harap lang siya ng SNR Lipa. Apparently, madami ng mga nakapila. I think pang 5 yata tayo or pang 6. So yan. Ito na yung kotse. And yun. Hintayin na lang natin. And just a tip, kung pupunta kayo dito, make sure that you have some sort of food. There are times na matatagalan yung pagkagawa. So it's best that you have some sort of food para hindi ka naman manginig sa gutom. Alright, so just an update. I arrived mga 9:15 and now it's 11 o'clock. So yan, medyo matagal bago tayo na umpisahan. Pero yan, they're now getting started on the install. And yan, yun yung mangyayari. Ito lang isang to yung bubuhayin ko. Parang basta gusto ko lang talaga na merong fog light na konti sa likod. At least para kahit masama yung weather condition, at least para mas madagdagan yung visibility ng sasakyan. They were able to finally get the housing out. Yan, syempre puro lupa yung housing kasi I don't think this has ever been taken off since the car was brand new. So yan. So we'll just see kung ano yung gagawin nila. Sabi nila sa akin parang bubutasan lang daw yung housing. So again, we'll see. Right, so time check, it's now 1:45 and they're now starting to install the housing on the bumpers, and again slight change of plans. Instead of just
having one done, what I decided to do was to have both sides modified. So this one and that one right there. So yun. So after they install the housing, they're just going to be doing the wiring. Tapos yun, hopefully makakauwi na ako.
A few moments later.
Hello. It's been, I think, a couple of days since the install. I'm just having my coffee. It's my break from work. And this is where I work. I thought I'd show you guys how the modification came out. So tara, buksan natin yung sasakyan. Let's switch it on and I will show you guys kung anong itsura. There you go. Hindi na natin bubuhayin yung makina, yung ilaw lang at yung fog light. Just like that. Yan po yung fog light. And this right here is how it came out. Ayan, so there you go. Napakaliwanag na yan. Ang pinagawa ko is kasabay siya ng fog light sa harapan. So yan, pag binuhay ko yung fog light sa harapan, mabubuhay na rin siya. Yan. And again, just to give you guys a quick recap, these are the stock bumper light housing or reflector housing. So yan, ang ginawa lang dun sa shop is binutasan lang, tapos nilagyan ng bulb holder, and of course at the same time they installed a bulb na, as far as I can remember, 5 watts lang to. Yan. So yun, I was surprised kasi napakaliwanag niya considering the fact na 5 watts lang siya. So ang inilagay na bulb holder is, I think, yung single contact. So yan, hindi siya ganun na siyang kaliwanag. Even though you step on the brake, hindi siya magbabago, hindi siya sumasabay sa brake. So yan, ganyan na yung itsura niya. So this is a good modification para at least maging safe tayo kapag we are traveling during the night, lalo na kapag masama yung weather conditions, kapag umuulan, kapag foggy. Yan, this would enable the person traveling behind us to see us better para hindi tayo mabangga. And I spent 935 pesos for this modification, kasama na yung lahat, parts and labor. So I would say na it's not that bad for how it looks. Again, I'm trying to go for an OEM look. So yan, na-achieve ko naman. Now I'm seeing yung mga ganito na binebenta online sa Shopee and sa Lazada, but the ones that they're selling is yung madaming design and it looks a bit too tacky, at least in my opinion. So ito, if you'd like an OEM look, then ito na yung very very affordable way of having this done. So yun, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.